What's up? So I'm making another video today. Today's video will be about, I'll be doing the rotors change on my car. You can see right here the rotors. So it will be drill slotted rotors. And I'm gonna be putting the premium brakes. Just showed up, guys. This is for Toyota 2010 1.8 liter Toyota. Bestos. These ones are really expensive, but they're really good premium brakes. Primo. So yeah, I enjoyed the video. I'll be changing this one right here. This rotor is gonna be gone. I don't want this one no more. Plus the brakes are not that great, as you can see there. But yeah, this is the rims I painted last time. So got it all jacked up now. I have with the jack stand there. This is up to 3 tons, so it's good to go. Yeah. Alright, so this is the brake pads here. This is the rotor here. So the rotor is the one I'm gonna change, but I have to remove this first. So I think they're 10 mLs. As you can see, the rotor that I've been. I haven't showed anybody, but okay. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe, thumbs up.